Alright, so this video is going to be a recap on a trade I took on IWM. This was a trade that I made $233 on and about 17%. So this is a trade I took on Thursday, January 25th. So that is 2 days ago from where I'm recording this video. So let's get straight into why I took this trade. So first thing that we see is I have all my levels. I have my levels drawn. So I had, these levels are a little bit from the newer, but going back to, let's move the highs back here and the lows back to here. So back on this, we saw that a big gap up, and what happens here? Indecision, then sell. So I didn't take any trades through here. I'm just watching, waiting for any reactions. Another key is you have to have all your levels drawn. So I had all my levels. These were all levels I had previously drawn the day before. So I knew what I was looking at the day, and I could see what to react to once trading started. So yeah, back into this. First thing we see, price opens and indecision. Then we see selling into a demand zone. Then we see buying off of this demand zone, and we move back up and we retest the previous demand. That's now turned into supply. So if you guys follow me, you guys know I love playing level breaks or zone breaks and retests. So what we got here is volume spike with an indecision candle back at the test of the previous demand that is now supply. So this is where I entered my position. So I bought 5 contracts of IWM 196 puts expiring February 2nd. So you might be asking, why did I play February 2nd? It is because I like to go at least 1 week out with my options trades. And if you'd watched my previous video on QQQ, you guys would know that. So yeah, bought 5 contracts right there. And I think my average price was about $270 a con. So then what happens is we just base, volume dies out a little bit, base, and we see some more weakness. I'm just waiting for my thesis to play out, which I was pretty sure was going to happen. Then what happens is market starts selling. We start seeing some selling, and we come back down to that demand zone where we bounced at previously. So, and we broke through it. So right here is where I ended up selling about 3 out of 5 contracts. So 60% of my position I ended up selling right here. And I held the last 2 contracts through all of this as they were runners. I'd already locked in profits here. So I was pretty much content with holding my runners. I moved my stops around to break even, and I just let the runners run. Saw all this. Then I ended up closing the 4th contract right here when we were close to testing this next key level down here, support level. Then I held the rest of it. I was thinking to probably sell. I wanted to sell a contract, my last runner right here, but I didn't get filled, so I ended up holding it and just waited for the retest of the supply. And we saw some more selling again, and I ended up closing my last contract about right here. So yeah. So that was basically the entire trade. I ended up making $233 and 17% overall in this trade. That's usually my normal sizing, 5 contracts. I'm probably going to end up sizing up soon, but for now, that's pretty much my average size. One of the issues, reason I couldn't get filled down here was I was at school, so school Wi-Fi, everything makes it hard to get filled. The orders don't get filled like that, so I had some issues there, but still I was able to get out. Still made good money on that trade, and I was pretty happy with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be posting more of these recaps soon. And check out my Twitter. I post a lot every single day there. Check out the TikTok. Subscribe to this YouTube channel first. But yeah, that's basically it.